Daw po si Andre ay maging batang maging mabot daw niya kanyang mga pangarap sa buhay at malayo ang kanyang marating.
Are you ready? Here we go.
The second wish will be, Mommy, sabi daw po si Andre ay maging batang maging hindi maging sakitin. Kailangan daw maging strong and healthy lang like a Jollibee. And the next wish will be, Mommy and Daddy, sana daw po si Andre ay maging batang maging swerte. At maging mapera. At maging mapagbigay sa kapwa. Yeah. And the next and last final wish, sana daw Mommy and Daddy, si Andre daw ay maging batang maging always be happy like your own best friend na si Jollibee. Para pa ka naman siya. Okay, so pagtabi na po muna ng mga cake. And also, thank you so much guys to Minaw Cake Courtesies. And may I request all of the kids, all of the classmates ng ating best friend Jollibee, we will be having our last game para naman sa inyo. Okay, all of the classmates.
Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo, and Chanel. Austin, Gucci, Fiorucci, don't forget my Gucci.
All of the classmates. Asa na lahat ng classmate ni Andre? Come here.
I can't afford D&G and B.
Okay, sige. All of the classmates come here. We'll be having a last game para sa inyo. So we have a lot of toys pa together with Andre, okay? So all of you guys on our game will be the longest greeting game. So babatuloy natin si Andre ng happy birthday ng matagal. Like ganito. Happy birthday, Andre! Okay? Okay, so now, who will be the first player? Okay, we have, what's your name? Travis. Okay, Kuya Travis. Ganun ang gagawin natin. Happy birthday, Andre! Tapos magbibilang kami. Okay? Kung sino may mahabang pagbati kay Andre will be win. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Andre!
Oh, we got 20 points! Very good. Good job. The next will be, what's your name? Axel. Okay, Kuya Axel, you need to be at 20 points. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Andre!
You got 80 points! Okay, thank you, Kuya. You're out. Okay. The next will be, what's your name? Crisologo. Tama mo. Okay, so Kuya Crisologo, you know the only do is to be 20 points. Kailangan mas mataas na 20 points. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Andre!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You got 9 points! Good job, Kuya Crisologo. Okay, we'll see the next. Who? See? Bench. Okay, Kuya Bench. Oh, nag-stretching na si Kuya Bench. Okay, you need to be 20 points. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Andre!
Pinataya mo na kami. You got 10 points! Okay, thank you. Okay, the next will be, what's your name?
Kenzo. Kenzo.
Kenzo. 20 points you need to beat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Andre.
You got 50 points! Halo po. What's your name? Joshua. Okay, so Joshua, you need to beat 20 points. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday.
Wala pa. Ulit. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Andre.
You got 20 points! It's a tie. Okay? Parang dalawang mananalo ah. You need to beat 20 points, okay? Para matalo mo yung dalawa. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Andre.
You got 30 points! Si Andre naman. Thank you, kuya. Si Andre naman. Tignan natin ang galing ni Andre. Happy birthday to me! Ganun ha? Okay, harap ka sa kanila. You need to beat 20 points sa kanila, sa kanila. Yan. Hinga malalim. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to me.
You got 21 points! Wala bang putol yun? Parang